Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Acura MDX radio code. First, you'll need to find your vehicle's serial number. This is often located on a sticker inside the glove compartment or sometimes under the hood. You might also find it in your owner's manual. This unique identifier, typically 8 to 10 characters long, is crucial for retrieving your radio code. If you can't find the serial number on a sticker, don't worry. You can often retrieve it directly from your radio display. Simply turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the 1 and 6 preset buttons on your audio system. While holding them, turn the radio on, and the 8-digit serial number will appear on the screen. Make sure to write it down. Once you have your radio's serial number, you're ready to get the code. The easiest way is to visit the official Acura radio code retrieval website. You'll need to enter your vehicle's VIN, the radio serial number you just found, and some personal information. Alternatively, you can call Acura customer service. After verifying your ownership, they will provide you with the 5-digit radio code. Now for the final step, entering your radio code. Turn on your Acura MDX radio and the display should show code or enter code. Use the radio's preset buttons, typically numbers 1 through 5, to input the 5-digit code you received. After entering all 5 digits, press the power or tune button to confirm. Your radio should now be fully functional again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.